lang dun sa likod. Pressure hose o kaya yung blow air. Yan. From the outside. May drain naman yun. Samsung. Easy open this way. Oh, there you go. You 30. Sun up the sunlight. And take out the filter. Filter out. Procedure, take off this one. Tanggalin niyo po muna uli yung gitna bago niyo mahugot yun. And then you can take out this cover then through the hooks on the back. This Samsung wala siyang hook actually. Snap on lang siya. But I have to take this off first. Like that. Para matanggal ko siya. Okay. In some cases po, ito siya. Meron siyang ganyan. Just have to open it. Kasi minsan concealed. Yan. Yan yung screw niya. Unscrew and unscrew. Take this off. Sometimes meron siyang TXB nandito. Tinatanggal lang ho yan. Hugot. Take out. Okay. Take out here. Para mababa niya siya. If not, ayan na siya. Open na siya. Tapos ito, sa simple harness, open lang. Hawakan kami kabilang nut. Yung kabilang side. Yan. Open lang natin. Tapos nyo po siya, ganyan na siya. Yan. And then same thing. Vacuum. And then brush those fan motor. Back, attach nyo muna ulit yung dito. Yung wire. Kasi ito, papasok niyo po dun, dito sa butas na to. So once in na po siya, babalik nyo lang ulit ito. Dati niyang pesto. Shit. There we go. Lagyan na sa hook. There we go. There it is. It's back. And it's back. Then babalik natin yung blade. Yung muna ulit yung screw. There we go. Ano to? Then back to filters. Filters. Then cover. Touch. Okay. Snap. That's it. That's how you do it. Up and running. Lakas na niya. Good luck, guys.